Hello, and thank you for joining in for another day here at Math. Today's video isn't much exciting. It's really just the last couple days squished into one, or the last 2 days skills that we learned just combined into one assignment. So I'll spend a couple minutes and we'll do a couple of these items, but you'll find that there's not much new. There's not much to learn. You've already learned and shown what we're doing today. Keep me out of the way. Here we go. Writing and solving. So last couple days. Write the phrase as an equation and then solve it. For example, on this one, the product, so that means we're going to multiply r and 5, and that is 20. There we go. We have now written the phrase as an equation. Now to solve it, okay, yes, we divide by 5. We undo that 5 that's on the r. We divide by 5. On this side of the equal sign, we're left with r. And on this other side, we're left with 4. 20 divided by 5. You can use a calculator as you need. X minus 3. So x minus 3 is equal to 24. And if you try to do this in your head, you might mess up on which operation to use. Just make sure you use the opposite operation. To undo this minus 3 that's attached to the x, we add 3 on, and then we add 3 on to there as well. Because this goes away, that just becomes 0, so x is all by itself. And then the equal sign, and 24 plus 3 is 27. All right, go through and work on these. When you get the quotient, quotient means divide, so quotient of a number, so we just use the variable, and 3, so the quotient of those is 11. First number on top, second number beneath. Then to solve it, you do the opposite of this divide 3. You times 3 and you times 3. So that y is 33. And then we go through each of those and try those. Let me find a hard one, a couple hard ones. Number 19, 5 more than a number. These more thans we learned the other day, more than and less than, we have to write it opposite. So 5 more than a number, some number, plus 5 is 17. And then you can probably see it in your head, but just to make sure, we minus 5 from both sides. On this side of the equal sign, we have a, and on this side of the equal sign, we have 12. So a is 12. As I'm looking through these, let me try to find. Yes, right here. These less than, it's kind of like that more than. This less than means it's backwards. So 6 less than a, we have to write it backwards. A minus 6 is 39. And then to solve for a, we do the opposite of this minus 6. We add 6 to both sides. So a on this side of the equal sign. And 39 plus 6 is 45. These word problems down here, if you can, give them a shot. I think I'll go ahead and just show you one of these, but please don't feel like these are required just yet. We'll be getting to these hard ones. This is really just to kind of give you a teaser. And I'll find a really hard one. 39. The wind blew away 26 of your muffins. That was 2/3 of all of them. So was, there's the equal sign, and that is the 26. So 26 was 2/3 of the muffins. Then to find the answer, you divide by 2/3 and divide by 2/3. On your calculator, take 26 divided by 2/3. And on your calculator, if you type in 26 divided by 2/3, you'll get 39, and I'll show you how you'll get 39. 26 divided by, and I'm dividing by a fraction, 2/3. Whoa, 2/3. 26 divided by 2/3. Enter. 39. So again, you're just doing what you've done before, just 2 steps in 1 assignment a day, really trying to really get you prepared for equations, trying to give you lots of practice. You're seeing this for the next 5 years of your life. Equations is the root of so much of what you're going to do for the rest of high school math. We're spending a lot of time right now before we start the chapter 5 on it. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.